Everyone knows Sonic. You were expecting something else. Sonic the Hedgehog? Oh, you meant the blue failure. Jokes aside, everyone knows Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, or even Amy. But did you know that Sonic wants to meet the president in Sonic Adventure 2? And there is a lot of forgotten Sonic characters. After all, the license is not called Shade the Echidna. And also, what the fuck? So I made a tier list of the main Sonic characters. So no Shade the Echidna or Metal Knuckles. Who the fuck is he?
Okay, so we're gonna start with I'm not sure if I can say his name. It's not just Eggman. Eggman is here. It's Eggman with something. Because of this funny name, I'm gonna put him in A tier. Blaze. Blaze sucks. F tier. Then Eggman. Eggman is one of the most Giga Chad characters in the entire franchise. So I'm gonna put him in S. Just right where he belongs. Then there's... Okay, no. Oh shit. Anyway, so Tails gonna go there. Then there's Shadow. Shadow's pretty cool, but like he's also dumb. So I'm gonna put him in B. Then there's Sonic. It's like Shadow, but less dumb and more cool. So I'm gonna put him in A. Shocking, I know. Sonic is not the greatest character in his franchise. So then there's Chip. C. Well, no, probably B. Then there's I don't know who it is, so F directly. Then Jet the Hawk, S tier, because he has charisma. Then I have to do something. Wait. It is not related to anything. Don't worry. Don't worry at all. I'm gonna put gray. No. He's cool. Purple. His name. Shit. Oh, sorry. Little typo. Cat. Perfect. And we have to put his last name. The goat. Although he's not a goat, he's a cat. Perfect. Then Charmy B. Useless. It's not Gamma. Yeah, pretty cool. So A. Yeah, he's more cool and more good than Shadow. Silver. C. Nothing more. Then Espio. Kinda cool, but nothing more. So C. The character from Sonic Rush Adventure. Don't remember her name, but yeah, it is Omega, if I'm not wrong. And yeah, it is B, like Shadow. Cream the Rabbit, useful. And not useless, sorry. Him, F, because I don't know his name. Vector, S, because he's Vector. Amy. Amy is kind and everything, but yeah, nothing more. And also she's kinda useless in more recent games, except for Frontiers and Superstars. But other than that, yeah. C. Rouge. Kinda great, but yeah. So I'll put her in B. Knuckles. Mwah, mwah, perfection. S tier. What's her name again? Okay, so Tickle, I remember, useful in Sonic Adventure 1, but she kinda dies. So B. So yeah, this is the final tier list of every single mainline Sonic characters. Thank you for watching, and my next video it's gonna be a Sonic fan game gameplay. Here's a little preview for you. Hi guys, today I'm gonna play Sonic Extreme.